Hello, how are you? Welcome my YouTube channel. Today I video for truck injury, truck insurance in USA. Founder Bela Hamid. Bela Hamid handles all injury and employment law cases. Attorney Bela Hamid has handled hundreds of cases. He has a 99% success rate through his experience and deductions to success. He has recovered millions of dollars for his clients. Mr. Hamid is a graduate of the University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA. He graduated from UCLA with Dean's List detections. Attorney Hamid then continued his education at the Pepperdine School of Law. He graduated in the top third of this class. Mr. Hamid has been recognized by the American Institute of Personal Injury Attorney Performance and won the 10 Best Personal Injury Attorney for Client status. Hamid has extended for federal and state judges while studying and Pepperdine Law. He began his practice as an injury attorney and continues to practice personal injury law to the present day. Thank you for my watching videos. I hope you like my video.